Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to show you the ALESTOR Power Strip, a versatile and powerful surge protector that's perfect for your home or office. Let's dive into the features of this amazing power strip. Multi-function power strip. Power strip surge protector with 12 AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports, 6-foot heavy-duty power extension cord. Surge protector with overload protection protects against spikes and fluctuations. Wide range voltage design can be used on 120 volt to 240 volt circuit. Surge protector power strip with USB. 2 special design widely spacing AC outlets for large adapters with 10 standard spacing outlets, 4 USB ports total 3.4 ampere by 17 watt. Each USB-A port features 2.4 ampere max output. 12 AC surge protector outlets. The 3-level complementary surge protector circuit, which composed of TVs, MOV BDD with minimum 2700 joules energy absorbing capacity, could protect your devices much more quickly and reliably than other brands' 1-level MOV Surge Protection Circuits. Safety and certificate. ETL safety certified with extension cord and other major components certified by UL. The overcurrent protection switch limits the power strip's working current to certain setting so it will not get hot during usage. Sleek and durable design. The sleek black design complements any decor, and its durable construction ensures it will last for years. Use the keyhole slots on the back for easy wall mounting, keeping your space organized and clutter-free. And there you have it. The features of the ALESTOR Power Strip. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see the next video.